What's up, XRP holders and guys? What the heck is happening right now with the crypto market? We are once again seeing a sell-off. Many people are wondering, are we in a bear market? Are we still within a bull market? And if we are still in that bull market, when can we finally see that huge reversal back to the upside? And we're not talking about plus 5% here, guys. We want to see real continuation here to the upside of the bull run, if we are still in a bull run. So let's talk about that. I have some very interesting data points, metrics and technicals to share with you in this quick video. Let's get into it. First of all, like the video, guys. Can we get this back above 1,000 likes? That would be highly appreciated. And let's get into it. So guys, we're seeing quite a deep sell-off today in the crypto market. It's truly a bloodbath. But let's talk about XRP here, because are we still looking healthy? Is the bull run still on? Well, according to the daily time frame, we are currently still getting compressed here in this symmetrical triangle. We have this downward sloping resistance line with multiple touch points and also this upward sloping support line. And as of right now, we are still trading within the pattern. So it is still possible to see some more consolidation here before eventually that breakout to the upside. So this is still my thesis here. Nothing has actually changed. And if we actually zoom out here and if I give you some other areas of support, then you can actually see, and first of all, I need to go to the linear scale because I'm on log right now. But here you can see that the support below us, $1.94, that is still, I would say, very strong support going all the way back to the beginning of December. We didn't broke below this support with daily candle closes, so that is the area to watch for right now. If we do close below $1.94, supported by volume, I need to see massive volume and a strong candle to the downside. Only if that happens, then the next support area to look at for XRP here on the daily time frame is located between $1.50 and $1.60. That is the golden Fibonacci ratio, as you can see here on the chart. And also on the left-hand side, there was some volume here somewhere in November. We traded here, so that is the area to watch for in case we lose $1.94. But for now, guys, we're still trading within the pattern. There is nothing to worry about. It is a Sunday, so a lot of manipulation is going on. So I will not take this, I would say, sell-off too serious right now. But yes, it is looking pretty bad here in the short term. Now, if we take a look at the Google Trends indicator with search term XRP, and if we look at the past 12 months, and I have to set this to worldwide, then we can actually see that search volume is really dropping off massively here. We are currently at 16, and we have only seen that, I would say, at the beginning of November, so prior to XRP's massive rally, which, if in case you missed it, started at the beginning of November here on the 5th of November. That rally started, massive pump for XRP, and we are currently at the same low retail interest levels, which is actually a very bullish sign. So right now is overall a very good time to get into positions, not a good time to sell. The best time to sell was actually at the beginning of December, but right now is not the time to sell, guys. So if you have some dry powder left, not financial advice, of course, I'm not your financial advisor, but this could be an excellent moment to DCA further into the market if you have that slightly longer term vision. So let's say for Q2, Q3 here of 2025. Now the next thing to look at here is actually the altcoin season index. We are currently deeply into Bitcoin season, as you can see, 20 on the index right now. And what we do know from history is that it is always a good time to purchase altcoins whenever we are below 25 on this index. So whenever we are into Bitcoin season, believe it or not, it is actually a very good time to buy altcoins. Definitely not a good time to sell them. And as you can see, the last time that we dipped below 25 on this index was actually somewhere in October, so the 18th of October. And back then XRP was actually priced at approximately 53 cents or so. So had you bought XRP back then, you would have made significant profits and your average entry price would absolutely be amazing right now. So this is definitely a metric to take very seriously, guys. The best time to take profits from altcoins is whenever this meter goes above 75. So whenever it signals alt season, that is the best time to take profits. And that was actually at the beginning of December last year. So take this metric very serious. And guys, before I continue here with the analysis, if you want to purchase or trade XRP, then sign up to Weeks, Blowfin or Maxi. You can find the referral links down below in the video description. Massive welcome bonuses here on Weeks, up to 30k, easy to claim with my links down below in the video description. Also keep in mind, Weeks is a non-KYC exchange, so you don't need to verify yourself with an ID card or anything. It's literally as simple as signing up with an email email, a password, and you're good to go within a few seconds. But be sure to use my links down below if you want to claim these benefits. Another benefit from my links down below in the description is also that your trading fees are going to be extremely low, which is definitely very beneficial. So check it out. Now let me continue here with the analysis, and this is XRP's liquidation heat map on the Binance exchange. I'm using the Binance exchange because the highest XRP volume is over on Binance, and you can see that almost all the short liquidity is still above the current price, and typically price goes after the highest liquidity rather sooner than later. So a short squeeze or a move to the upside is the most likely outcome. But there's another thing to pay close attention to, and that is that there's also some liquidity below us. I would say around $2 or $1.90 for XRP. So in the immediate short term, it is possible that price is going to take out this liquidity, maybe with a slight wick, before eventually further continuation here of the bull run. So keep that in mind, guys, if you're using high leverage in the immediate short term. I never recommend anyone to use high leverage. Always stay with low leverage. I recommend between 1 to a 5x leverage if you want to open swing trade positions, but be extremely careful for that. And the next thing that I need to show you here is that XRP on the daily time frame is actually still trading within this parallel channel to the upside. We have this upward sloping support line since November, and we have this upward sloping resistance line, multiple touch points as you can see, and we are currently still respecting this trend line. So as long as XRP holds above $1.94 on the daily time frame, which is the support that I just showed you, nothing to worry about, and I'm still focused on the upside. The last thing that I need to show you is XRP on the weekly scale, and on the bottom side you can see the stochastic RSI. What you can see is that the stochastic RSI is currently massively oversold, and the last two occasions that we were this oversold literally marked the exact bottom for XRP. It happened in July, it happened in November last year, and right now once again that exact signal is flashing once again for XRP. And guys, I'm not saying that the bottom needs to be in right now this exact day, but it is definitely a very good average entry price, and rather sooner than later I expect a massive reversal back to the upside for the XRP price. That was it, guys, for today's XRP update. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If it was helpful to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to have access to my day trades, my swing trades, I'm giving signals on a daily basis, join my trade signal group. The link is down below in the video description. We are extremely profitable. We're doing longs, we're doing shorts. You can make some passive income if you're interested, so check it out. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I'll see you very soon in another XRP video. Bye bye.